Wegatamot, my dear Dinka learners, let us learn Dinka short phrases. 1. I am at work. In Dinka, Anto Loyich. Anto Loyich. I was at work. An Ekato Loyich. An Ekato Loyich. I am late. And Chigao. And Chigao. I was late. And a Kachigao. And a Kachigao. I was late. I am at home. Ento by. Ento by. By mean home. I was at home. And a kato by. And a kato by. I am at school. Ento panabun. Ento panabun. Panabun mean school. I was at school. And a kato panabun. And a kato panabun. I am laughing. And dal. And dal. And dal. I am laughing. And dal. I was laughing. I was laughing in Dinka. And a kadal. And a kadal. I am in the church. In Dinka and to luang nialich ich. And to luang nialich ich. Luang nialich mean church. I was in the church. Mean anekato luang nialich ich. Anekato luang nialich ich. Luang nialich mean church. I am at work. In Dinka and to loy ich. I was at work. Anekato loy ich. I am late. And chigao. I was late. Anika chigao. I am at home. And to by. I was at home. Anika to by. I am at the school. And to panabun. I was at the school. Anika to panabun. I am laughing. And dal. I was laughing. Anika dal. I am in the church. And to luang nialich. Luang nialich mean the house of God. I was in the church. And Ekato Luang Nialich by William Majang Deng Dit. Deputy Tong Yang. Nyari Kawik Kuyania. Please follow this channel to learn Dinka language with us. Okay? Bye bye.